નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Today in standard 9th subject mathematics we are going to learn chapter 11 constructions. Now today in question number 3 the construction construct the angles of the following measures 30 degree, 22.5 degree and 15 degree. So first of all let us take how to construct angle AOD is equal to 30 degree. So first of all we have to draw ray OA. Draw ray OA. Taking O as a center and the suitable radius, draw the arc which intersect the given ray OA at B. So now here is the point B. Now taking B as a center and the same radius, draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at C. Join OC so that you will get angle COB 60 degree, but we want 30 degree. So we have to draw bisector of 30 degree, that is half of 30 degree you will get half of 30 degree, that is half of 60 degree, that is 30 degree. So let us go for finally AOD. So now taking B and C as centers one by one and convenient radius more than half of BC, draw the arcs in the interior of the angle and they will intersect at point D. So now this is point D, join OD. Then the required angle BOD, that is AOD, is equal to 30 degree is constructed. So write the steps of construction here. Steps of construction. First of all, what we have to do? Draw a ray OA. Then taking O as a center and suitable radius, O is a center and suitable radius, draw an arc which intersect ray OA at B. So here we got this point B. Now taking this point as a center, taking B as a center and the same radius draw an arc so here we have to draw an arc which intersects the first arc or the previous arc at C and join ray OC thus such that angle BOC is equal to 60 degree. So here we got this angle BOC 60 degree. Now next to that, here when we got this angle BOC 60 degree, then what we have to do? Draw angle bisector. Draw ray OD, bisector of angle BOC, such that when we draw this, what happens? Here angle BOD is equal to half of BOC, and that is half of 60, and that is 30 degree. Thus angle AOD is equal to 30 degree is constructed. Here we will not write justification separately, because already this justification here how it is 30 degree is given. Same way, second part, here we have to draw angle 22 degree to construct angle AOD is equal to 22 and half degree. So for this, what shall we do? To construct 22 and half degree, we have to go for, first of all, 90 degree, then its bisector, then we'll get half of that 45 degree, and then again its bisector, then it is half of 45, that is 22 and half. So for this, first of all, let us go for construction of 90 degree. So draw ray OA here it is OA. After this, first thing is we have to draw angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So to construct 90 degree, we have seen already earlier. So what shall we do? Taking this point as a center, and we have to draw the arc. Then taking this point, we have to draw first arc, then taking this point, second arc. Now using these two, we have to draw the arcs here, and thus we will get 90 degree angle AOB. So let us join this OB. Now angle AOB is 90 degree. Now draw the bisector, or draw ray OC, bisector of angle AOB. So for this, bisector, we can take these points on this rays as a center and the radius more than half of the distance between them, will get the bisector of 90 degree, and that will be 45 degree. So now this is ray OC, that is the bisector of angle AOB. You can see ray OC. This is ray OC. Now draw ray OD, bisector of angle AOC. So taking this point on this arc, on these rays, on these OA and OC, these are the points of intersection, points on the arc. And so taking the radius more than distance between these points, we can draw the bisector of this angle AOC, that is bisector of angle 45 degree, bisector of 45. So now we can join this and we'll get ray OD, and that is half of 45, and that is angle AOD 22 and half. So this is angle AOD, that is 22 and half degree. So let us write the steps of construction. So first of all, what we have done? Draw here ray OA. Draw a ray OA. Then draw angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Then draw ray OC, that is bisector of angle. Draw ray OC. So what here ray OC does? It bisects the angle, that is bisector of angle AOB. When it is bisector of angle AOB, what happens? Such that angle AOC is half of angle AOB, and that is half of 90, and that is 45 degree. So here now you will get 45 degree this angle AOC. Now again draw ray OD. So when we draw this ray OD, that is a bisector. Draw this bisector of angle AOC, that is ray OD. Therefore what happens? Therefore angle AOD becomes half of angle AOC, and AOC is 45. AOC is 45 degree, and therefore we will get that is 22 and half degree. Thus angle AOD is equal to 22 and half degree is constructed. Similarly, you have to construct 15 degree in homework. That is, you have to construct first of all ray OA, then OC. That is, you have to construct 30 degree just like this. So angle AOD is 30 degree. Then you have to go for the bisector of angle AOD, and then you will get 15 degree. So that could be done. That should be done in homework. Next, in question 4, we have to construct the angles of the following measures: 75 degree, 105 degree, and 135 degree. So first of all, let us go for 75 degree. Construct angle AOQ of 75 degree. So for this, first of all, we have to draw ray OA. Here ray OA is drawn. Now taking O as a center and suitable radius, we have to draw the arc which intersects the given ray at B. That is actually we have to draw first of all 90 degree. So for that, taking B as a center, we have to draw the arc. Now taking this point B as a center and convenient radius, we have to draw the arc, or same radius we have to draw the arcs, which gives us points C and D. So taking B as a center, we get the arc C, point of intersection. Taking C as a center, we get D. And then taking C and D as centers, as you can see here, angle BOC 60 degree and COD also 60 degree. So now taking C and D as centers, we can draw the bisector of angle COD. Bisector of angle COD. So now this point is suppose here P. So draw this ray OP. You will get the 90 degree angle. So now angle COB is 60 degree. Angle COB is 60 degree. Angle COD is also 60 degree. And here it is a bisector of this 60 degree. So this is 30 degree. So here 60 degree and here 30 degree. If we bisect this 30 degree, that is angle COP, then you will get a ray OQ, and that will be 15 degree. So 60 plus 15 will get 75. So let us draw the bisector of angle COP. So taking these 2 points as centers and the radius more than half of distance between them, here you will get point Q. So we can draw ray OQ. And here angle AOQ is 75 degree. So let us write the steps of construction. First of all, draw ray OA is drawn. Then draw ray OC and OD such that draw rays OC and OD such that angle AOC is equal to 60 degree and angle COD is equal to 60 degree. So both 60. Here 60 and this also 60. Now we have to draw the bisector of this COD. So we will get 30 degree. Actually, there is angle AOP, that is 90 degree. Now draw ray OP such that there is bisector OP, bisector of here draw ray OP, that is bisector of angle COD. And when we draw this, what happens? Therefore, angle COP is half of angle COD, and that is half of 60, and that is 30 degree. So that is equal to 30 degree. So now this angle we got 30 degree here. That is COP. Now we have to draw another ray. Draw ray OQ. Draw ray OQ. That is also the bisector. Bisector of angle here COP. And therefore, what happens? Angle COQ is half of angle COP. And COP we have seen here, it is 30 degree. And thus we will get here, that is 15 degree. And therefore, angle AOQ is equal to angle AOC plus angle COQ, and that is 60 degree plus 15 degree, and that is equal to 75 degree. And thus angle AOQ 75 degree is constructed. Now, if we want to go for 105 degree, then what we have to do? We have to go for the bisector of this angle POD instead of POC. As we have seen here, COD is 60 degree. Okay, and if we draw the bisector OP, then COP and DOP both 30 degree. This is also 30 degree and this also 30 degree. So if we draw the bisector of angle DOQ instead of COP, we can draw the bisector of angle DOP. Then you will get Q here, and that is, we say, I am showing here, you will get the point R. If you draw the bisector of this, you will get the point R here. Draw OR, then angle AOR is equal to 90 degree plus 15 degree, and that will be 105 degree. So this you can construct in homework. Now next, third one is 135. To construct angle AOQ is equal to 135 degree. So for this, first of all, let us draw ray OA. Here ray OA is constructed. Now let us go for taking O as a center and suitable radius, draw the semicircle arc. Now taking this point as a center, draw the arc which intersected C. Taking C as a center, it intersected with the same radius without changing the radius. Then we have to draw the arc which intersect at D. And taking this point as a center, again we can draw the arc which intersect at E. So now here you can draw this point B, C, D and E. So you can see this is draw ray OC. You will get 60 degree. Then COD also 60 degree, or AOD is 120. AOD is 120 and EOA is 180. So now we can draw the bisector. Now we can draw the bisector of angle EOD. So what is the bisector of angle EOD? Here let us draw the bisector of angle EOD. So taking this point as a center, now here we will get ray OQ. Ray OQ, bisector of angle EOD. So here you will get, this is 30 degree. Here BOC 60, COD 60 and DOE 60. So now this is 30 degree. So BOQ is 60 plus 60 plus, or we say BOD is 120 and this is 30, so 150. Now again we can construct a bisector of angle DOQ, that is OP. We have to draw ray OP, bisector of here angle DOQ. And thus you will get here ray OP, here sorry P, and here Q, OQ. So angle AOQ is 135 degree. So let us write the steps of construction. So first of all, what we have done? Draw ray OA. Draw ray OA, and then taking O as a center, then taking O as a center, and suitable radius draw an arc, semicircle arc. Now draw angle BO, here semicircular arc which intersect ray OA at B. So now draw angle BOC is equal to angle COD, and that is equal to angle DOE, and that is 60 degree. So this is BOC 60, COD 60 and DOE 60. So now draw ray OP, that is bisector of angle DOE, and therefore angle DOP is half of angle DOE, and that is half of 60, and that is 30 degree. So now again draw bisector. Here draw ray OQ now. Draw ray OQ, that is bisector of angle DOP. Bisector of angle and therefore angle DOQ is equal to half of angle DOP, and that is half of 30 degree, and that is equal to 15 degree, and therefore angle BOQ is equal to angle BOC plus angle COD plus angle DOQ. Now what is BOC? BOC is 60 plus what is COD? COD also 60 plus what is BOQ? We have constructed 15, and that is equal to 135 degree. Thus angle AOQ, that is angle BOQ, is equal to 135 degree is constructed. So this way we can construct the angles of various measures which are multiples of 15. Thank you for joining us.